Once upon a time, there was a little blue engine who worked on a busy train track. One day, a big train was stuck on a mountain and needed help to get over. The big engines were too tired to help, so the little engine was asked to try. "I'm not big like the others," said the little engine, "but I will try my best." The little engine started to pull the heavy train up the mountain, chugging slowly at first. I think I can," the engine said, pushing with all its might. Up the mountain it went, puffing and chugging, while the train behind it was full of toys and treats for children. The little engine didn't stop, even though it was tired. I think I can, it kept saying, focusing on the goal ahead. Higher and higher it climbed, and soon the little engine was almost at the top of the mountain. The engines below doubted it could do it, but the little engine never gave up. Finally, with one last strong push, the little engine reached the top and began to go downhill. I knew I could, the engine sang joyfully as it sped down. When it reached the bottom, everyone cheered. The little engine had done it. It had shown that no matter how small you are, with determination you can accomplish anything. From that day on, the little engine always remembered, if you believe in yourself, you can do amazing things.